Hello guys, are you looking for the lithium-ion batteries? Stop fighting this, because finally you will find we are the best supplier for you. You want to know why? First, we have 5 years experience since we established our batteries, and over 60 countries our batteries have been exported, so we are very familiar in the global markets. You just tell us your requirement for the batteries and we produce the battery to you. It's very easy. We are the professional. Battery's location is in Guangdong province. There will be a faster delivery time for your orders. And we promise we will give you a huge production capacity. For multi-battery, capacity is from 5 kWh to 20 kWh. Voltage is 51.2 volt for your household usings. And the next one is for the telecom industries. It's a rackable modules. This you can use for the UPS, cause before that you already used for the lead AC batteries. Now we replace the lead AC batteries in the same size using the lithium-ion batteries. And this one is a stackable modules. Why I say that? Cause the first line is 5 kWh. When you add in another line, it's total about 10 kWh and 50 kWh and 20 kWh. Not only just produce the lithium batteries, we also provide all-in-one energy solutions for your needs, such as this commercial energy storage cisterns can install in 10 feet containers or 20 feet containers. This cistern, including a built-in PCS cistern and the BMUs, of course have our own batteries. Okay, and this one it's using for your golf carts or the motorcycles or the electric bike. We also have the diverse certifications for the batteries and our factories. The batteries has the MSDS UN 3.3 and the CE certified. You can use our batteries in the global markets or your country's local markets. The important is our batteries was certified by the ISO in diverse events, battery shows or energy shows in the global markets. We not only just tell people what we can produce for those, but also we want to collect the information in the local markets and see how the people's making the batteries business. That is a key information for us where we produce the batteries. Here is our working shop. We have 2 produce lines, so we can provide the big produce capacities for your orders. And here is for the agent testings. Before the batteries were shipped out, we will test the cycle lives for you. And here is the R&D's office. All the testing and the design will be done here. You are very welcome to visit our batteries. You want to know the batteries, the testing, or the design, or any the OEM customized designs, we will provide all this for you. Before this, you want to know our batteries working, just come here and I will tell you for the showing.